These Yeezys are destroyed and definitely need a restoration. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned to the end of the video, because at the end of the video, we have a giveaway going on, and I'm going to tell you guys how to enter the giveaway to win the Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blues, brand new, size 11. Let's get started. These are the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zebras, one of my favorite 350s that has ever released. I absolutely love this colorway. But as you guys can see, I've completely destroyed these things. I've worn these things so much. There's mud, dirt all over them. Hopefully, it doesn't stain because white is not easy to clean. But I'm going to restore these things, bring these things back to life. These things have plenty of life left in them. They're just dirty, really dirty, and need to be restored back to life. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start by taking out the laces of the Yeezys, and boy, was this a very hard process to do. If you guys have never taken laces out of your Yeezys before, do not. It is very annoying to get them out, and I'm sure it's going to be annoying to put them back in. It is very, very hard to get the laces out. It took me a few minutes to get these laces out, especially because they're dirty. I guess that made it even harder, but man, getting Yeezy laces out is not an easy task. I'm taking the laces out of the Yeezys, so as I clean the Yeezys, I can also clean the laces. So to clean the laces, I'm going to take some laundry detergent as well as dish soap, mix it in a cup here, and just toss the laces in. Now, when I put the laces in, I want to mix it all together. You're creating kind of like a solution for it, and you want to mix that solution all around the laces. Get the laces all around in the solution. Get all the dirt, grime off of your laces. You do not want those stains on those white laces. White laces are very annoying to clean, but it's very, very easy. Just make sure you make this solution. I'm going to let the laces sit in this cup for about 20 minutes to a half hour as we clean the Yeezys. To start cleaning the Yeezys, I'm going to remove all the excess dirt and mud that are off of them, so I'm just going to bang them together, get all that extra dirt off of the uppers. Now, it is time to start cleaning. So I'm going to take my bowl of water, dip my brush in it, and take my cleaning solution. You can choose any cleaning solution you want to use. Rejuvenated, Crep Protect, any sneaker product you want to use, go ahead and use it. And make sure you clean up your sneakers. Keep rinsing, keep cleaning. They're going to be mud. You're going to have mud. You're going to have dirt everywhere. As you guys can see, it is a complete mess all over my sneakers, guys, everywhere. Just a complete mess. But I want to go ahead and get all this dirt, all this mud off of these Yeezys. I'm going to continue cleaning the same sneaker because it needs to be cleaned. You want to make sure you get off all of the dirt, as much dirt and mud as possible. Now I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the other shoe, get all the mud and dirt off of this sneaker as well. As you guys can see, it's a mess, complete mess, but I'm wearing gloves, so I'm good to go. The Yeezys do look better after cleaning them, but they do have stains throughout the upper. To continue cleaning the Yeezys, I'm going to take some blue laundry detergent, some Tide laundry detergent, and rub it in to the Yeezys, just like I just cleaned them, the same exact thing. And I'm going to use the sneaker cleaner as well to make sure lather it in to the Yeezys. The reason I'm using blue laundry detergent is because when you clean your clothes, your laundry detergent is blue and it helps get rid of dirt and stains a lot easier. The same thing is going to happen with sneakers. You want to lather it in and you want to make sure you're scrubbing the laundry detergent and the sneaker cleaner into the sneaker now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Shout out to Sneakerhead in the Bay for the idea on the blue laundry detergent. I'm also going to scrub the inside of the Yeezys all along the sock liner because there's mud and dirt all along that as well, and I want to get all of that out. Now we are all ready for the washing machine. Let's go to the washing machine. Let's toss these Yeezys into the washing machine. I'm going to put my washing machine on cold water, spin on medium or high. It doesn't really matter. It's just going to make it dry faster, and the soil level, you want it at either light or normal, and make sure you put it on a quick wash. The Yeezys are now in the washing machine, so as they're washing, I'm going to go ahead and clean out the laces. I'm going to rinse the laces, get all of the solution out of the laces. You don't want the smell of the solution. Make sure that you rinse off all the solution off of your laces, because if you don't, you might wind up with yellow or blue laces later on.
Two hours later.
I'm so happy I was able to bring one of my favorite Yeezys back to life, man. These things look so good again. They look fire. They look brand new. I'm so happy with how these turned out. I have to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of white sneakers because they get dirty very, very fast and easy. But to be honest, after doing this video, they're really easy to take care of, guys. They're really easy to clean, and I really do recommend trying out this method. These are one of my favorite Adidas Yeezys. Leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know one of your favorite Adidas Yeezys. To enter the giveaway for the Jordan 1 Obsidian University Blue brand new size 11, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and then click the link down below in the description. Go to the video that I recently did on Crep Protect, and on that video leave a comment telling me why you want these Jordan 1s, and at the end of your comment leave your Instagram username. If you want a bonus entry, all you need to do is of course make sure that you enter the giveaway. Go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and then send me a DM on Instagram with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebra restoration. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what sneaker you want me to restore next. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.